is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So recently we took up a trade in Britannia options and it moved close to 300% and we all booked profits in JFT option community. And let me just explain you why we entered this trade on Friday. Before I explain you everything, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and also click that bell icon. Thank you so much. Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. So I have Britannia chart in 1 hour time frame, and as you can see here, this is the main chart of Britannia. It has been taking a very good support in this trend line and very good consolidation, right? So we drew this pattern channel and set an alert, and this got alerted last Friday. If you watched this previous live video on Nifty which I had uploaded last Saturday, I got an alert from Britannia, right? 52,000, 51,000. Okay. They are probably trading right now. So I quickly had to take one lot only, because since I was like recording the video, I couldn't add funds on my account. All my funds are busy with other trades, and my plan was to deploy around at least 10 lakhs in this trade after the breakout, but I couldn't do it because of the Nifty live video. And then I just had to go with whatever remaining I had in the account, and I had to deploy just 40,000. So just one lot. What happened, this was a beautiful breakout, and today it gapped up, right? This is the option chart, and my average price was around 104, which would be this area. Okay, and this is where I bought, and the average sell price is also around 405 this morning, and that is like what, let me just check it. Okay, 104 to 404, so almost 288%, which is more than enough for me, and I'm happy. Just the one regret is that I deployed very less capital. My plan was to allocate more, but due to that Nifty live video, I missed it. That's okay, it happens. And this is a beautiful pattern, guys. The learning from here is that you have to wait and then nail down your trades exactly at the right time. Okay, I spotted this chart right here, and I did not take a trade until this was broken. Okay, so this is why the hard work pays off. And when you do, this is a lucky thing, like that it gapped up and gave this kind of a move, but luck happens when you work hard, right? So we have been consistently doing this, and similar thing has been happening on our community as well. If you look at this, someone made close to 2 lakhs. Okay, and he expected just 30k from this trade apparently. And if you look at this, 97,000, 50,000 profit, 1,10,000 profit, 93,000, 32,000. So the capital deployed in this trade is around 18,000, 17,000 or 15. For example, this would be, the capital deployed would be around 20,000, 25,000, something like that, or even a little bit more maybe. So everyone booked like more than 200%. Easily 200 to 250% was very easy, and I'm glad most of my option members are already have already recovered the course fee and also made two times or at least 3 times the option course fee, and there is still like 6 months ahead. So yeah, I'm quite happy with my performance and my JFT members performance as well. This is the learning from this video, and also if you want to be a part of the community, just visit my website justfortraders.in/options. And as I said, recovery of the course fee is not a big deal, and we trade patterns like this continuously. And yes, but the question is, did we anticipate a move like this? No. My expectation was that my first target is that it will hit this trend line, that is for sure. So from here to here, the 4% move in option is more than enough, correct? That was my assumption, and probably will book around from some 50% to 60%, depends, which is dependent upon the strike price. So this happened, and frankly, I didn't expect this kind of a huge move. We got lucky, but again, I want to reiterate that luck happens when you work hard, and we keep on drawing patterns like this. This is what I would suggest you to do as well. Just don't give up and keep doing the same thing again and again and again. If it doesn't click now, it will definitely in the future. Yeah, if you like this video, let me know in the comment section, and also please do not forget to subscribe to this video, and do not forget to enroll to my course as well. Thank you so much for watching this video with passion. See you soon again.